Hey, what's going on, guys? Kins here. All this video series that I've made already on YouTube regarding the chess programming kind of really inspired me to go back to developing my own chess engine that I was kind of pretty fond of doing that in the past. But in the past, I was more like interested in creating mode generators, and I didn't really care about the search algorithms and about the results as well. It might seem it might sound quite a bit weird, but still that's how it was basically. But now for some reason, I don't know, I got inspired from doing this series basically. So and I just thought that the mode generator that we've created within this 26 video series is quite pretty nice and quite pretty fast to take as a basis to develop a real chess engine. And also, I understand that it's incredibly difficult to take a decision to actually start writing a chess program. That takes really iron balls, to be honest, because there are so many ways to fail during writing the chess engine that it's incredibly hard even to imagine basically. So many pitfalls are available there. So it's way easier to kickstart with actually watching some chess engine related stuff. And from basically starting from this video, I would like to add a couple more playlists on this channel and a couple more formats of the videos. So the first format that has just been actually published is the chess engine games. So if you have a look at this playlist, it has the only video for now, but still it's quite pretty interesting. So it contains the very first game played by the newly created engine based on this series that we've been creating here within this mode generator. And some I did add some alphabet pruning on top of the Burning Max search, but still it's quite pretty basic. And then just clean up the code a bit, and eventually I brought this chess engine to the state where it's already capable of playing versus other engines. And here we have a blitz game between this newly created engine I call Wukong, and I'll explain what exactly this means and why I call this like this. So Wukong is my new chess engine that I've just started working on, and I'm currently developing it. And it plays versus Toledo Nano Chess and crushes it completely. And Toledo Nano Chess is known for being the smallest chess program in existence. Obviously, it's not a big deal to crush this program, but still it has crushed many programs that were bigger in size compared to it. And it hats off to Oscar Toledo, the author of Toledo Nano Chess. So it's really interesting stuff, a very interesting engine to have a look at basically. So now let me just explain where this Wukong is Chinese word. It can be translated as something like studying the void or researching the void, something like this. So there is a character in ancient Chinese culture, a folk character named Song Wukong, and he is Song Wukong, and he is known as the Monkey King. And there is the great book by Chinese author Wu Qianan, who created a story telling about the adventures of Monkey King. And this is the picture from that book, I guess. So a very interesting character, and my nickname origin, like Monkey King origins from the same source. And this is very very tricky character, very interesting one. And I decided to name my engine after Song Wukong, because the character of Song Wukong, the nature of him is just to be so it's monkey. So he I'm sorry, my English is a bit short to describe the non-technical topics like ancient Chinese literature. But still, I just want to say that he's like he's very funny, and he always finds the solution from the situation that doesn't seem to have any, and he's very creative. He has, I don't know, like I just love this character. You better read about him in this Wikipedia article to get an idea of who he is, basically. So that's the origin of the name for this engine. So I decided to call this engine Wukong, and the other kind of playlist that starts exactly from this video would be called like I don't know yet how exactly I'm supposed to call this playlist, but the idea is I would be reporting the development process of this Wukong engine, and and as far as I would be implementing some new stuff within that engine and testing this while making it play versus other engines from really weak ones to harder and harder. I would be creating some chess programming tutorials along the way, just like it was done already before. But also these two playlists. So the chess engine games is interesting because it's always interesting to see how computer chess plays, and if you can see the source code and some tutorials like explaining what in particular is happening, I guess that's even more interesting. And on the other hand, watching the process and the progress of creating a chess engine might be also really interesting, and it's not that difficult compared to following the tutorial. So if you just watch that, you just getting the ideas, understanding more and more of how it works, and then eventually one day it might happen that an idea like why shouldn't I maybe I should create a chess engine on my own would suddenly come into your mind, and that would be really fantastic day, because like taking a decision to get started with chess programming is really a big day in programmer's life, and I highly encourage you guys to try this on your own, because this is incredibly addicting and absolutely fantastic. So this is it from my side. So meet our new Wukong chess engine that is basically it's covered in these three playlists. It goes slightly further, so the development state goes slightly further compared to what has been described in the tutorials. But again, as far as I would have been improving the Wukong chess engine, I would also be providing some new tutorials and really lots of stuff to do there. So we would be optimizing our Nigamax search, where we'll add the alphabet pruning, we'll add, oh my god, some move ordering techniques in order to improve the search efficiency. Later on, I really hope to add transposition tables and things like that. Also, we need to work on the evaluation, because now it's very basic, just material and p-square tables to give an idea, to give a chess engine an idea of where to develop its pieces. So I guess this is it for this video, guys. So hope to see you next time. This is it from my side. Wish you all the best and take care.